guys, I'm Laura and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a big-headed me to say much awaited project pan update, but I have some updates to share with you, and this particular update is for my rolling project pan, which I was hoping to have updated weekly, but that clearly did not happen. So I'm going to kind of stick with the program and stick with the initial plan. So this is going to be one jumbo mega update. Starting with some things I have actually finished. Oh my. I finished the nude mauve blush that was pressed in here. So this compact's now empty. I'm going to use it for repressing other things. I finished up the number 7 Skin Illuminator. Loved it. Once I've used up some other illuminators, I might repurchase it. As for the nude mauve blush, I might repurchase it somewhere down the line. I don't know if by the time I get to repurchasing blushes, if it'll still be in existence, because that tends to be what happens. But there we go. There's 2 things finished. Third thing, I finished with the e.l.f. brow wax, which they don't make anymore, but you know, wax is wax. Children are children. It is the Easter holidays. What are you gonna do? I also finished a brow pencil, which you guys might have actually seen those already in an empties. So it's a brunette brow pencil from Avon, all finished up. This piece of hair is just, I've not long washed and blow dried and brushed out my hair, and it is just this big poof ball that's getting everywhere. So those are the 4 things I have finished. I'm so super happy with finishing those 4 items, and here is a quick update on all of the other items that were already in the project. The 2 foundations are plodding along just nicely. I know I thought I was going to be finished most of these things by the end of January, but I did have a big 4-week period where I didn't wear any makeup at all, and between the end of February and now we are in the beginning of beginning of April, my makeup application has still been very sporadic. So yeah, we're just trying to get into the swing of things. Yeah, once we get into the swing of things, again, these will easily get moved out in a couple of weeks or so. But they're doing really good. We have the Nyx Hd Foundation and the Revlon Full Cover Camouflage. They're plodding away just nicely. Same with the Clarins Loose Powder. Thought I was going to be done with it much sooner than now. I'm not even going to attempt to take the sifter out. I'll end up with powder all over my bedroom floor, and that would not be fun. But yeah, plodding along with this guy, working on it. Amazing piece of actually I'll save this for a wee moment. The concealer, the Hydroluminous, I don't know when this is going to go above the packaging line there. I don't know when, but I've just been chugging along with it. It's doing really good. As for the cream blush from Clinique, I've been doing really well with this. That's how much I've dipped in, and this is all I have left, plus whatever is dug in inside. I think I've used about half of what was there when I started. Really enjoying it. The thing I'm most happy with the progress on is the Sculpt and Glow Duo from Revolution, which again I thought I was going to be done with pretty quickly, which if I had been wearing makeup as much as I thought I would have, I would be done with this. But they both have massive pan on them. The bronzer has a pan around the edges as well, a little bit of pan over here. The highlight is about to hit pan over this side where it's thinner. So yeah, once I get into the groove of wearing makeup daily again, these will be done fairly quickly. The eyebrow pencil I'm working on at the moment, the number 7 Beautiful Brow. This is all that I have left, so this might be done within the next 2 to 3 weeks. I foolishly put 2 shadow sticks in my makeup basket area, and I've been using the wrong one. So I've not been working on this one as I should be. So we're going to focus in on it and get it used up within the next week or so. Number 7, nude lip liner. This is all that is left. This tiny little amount. So I should be getting that moved out by the next update. And so it is time to roll things in. Now, the initial plan was to roll in 2 products each week. And I have missed 13 weeks of updates. So that would make 26 products I'm about to roll into this project. Which I know might be sounds silly or like I'm going to instantly overwhelm myself. I'm not going to put all of these on my windowsill in my makeup basket at the same time. I am going to roll them in as I go. But a lot of these probably won't take too long to finish up once I get going with them either. So starting with a whole bunch of primers. I have 5 primers that I'm rolling in. The Avon Anew, which is very close to being empty. Same with the Revolution Pro Prime and Hydrate. The Laura Mercier Radiance Primer, again, very close to being finished. The Hydra Matte from Revolution Pro, very close to being finished. And the Super Dewy from Revolution. 5 primers. I know, it's crazy, but we're doing it. I also have 2 setting mists that I want to work on. This is the Glow Fix from Revolution. There's under half of this left, and there's about half of the Glow Mist from Pixie left. I'm trying to speed things along because it's almost dinner time. I have a little lip balm here, lip treatment from Oriflame. That's all that is left there. I might be able to knock that out in a week if I really tried. Same with these concealers, actually. This is the Conceal and Define from Revolution. Oh boy. There is so little left in here. There may actually only be a week's worth. Maybe. Or maybe 2 weeks. We'll see. And then we have the Power Stay Concealer from Avon, which again, I've used a lot of this already, so I just want to get it used up and moved out. I have some brow products, the XX Brow Clear Brow Mascara. We're going to work on that guy, the XX Faux Brow, which there's a good deal of this guy left. So that might take about a month or so to go through. And I also have another Avon Brunette in here, which has a good deal to go through as well. So that's about 2.5 months worth of brow product right there. I have 2 base products here. We have the MAC Studio Sculpt Foundation, which there isn't a whole lot left of. So I would like to work this. I was planning on working this into a project this year anyway. So let's just roll it in here and start working on it. And then we have the MAC Strobe Cream, which I've actually been using for the last couple of weeks because I was so out of touch with my projects that I forgot I already had an illuminating lotion in another project that I should have been using. So let's work on them both, right? Let's work on them both. I have 4 bronzy products that I want to work on. This is the Avon Bronzing Brick. It has 3 bronzy shades and 2 highlight shades. And what I actually want to do is dig them out and press them in here. So one side will be bronzer, one side will be highlight. And there is only 2.8 grams in this entire compact. Maybe a week's worth. We shall see. We shall see. I have a ColourPop blush that I actually use as cream bronzer, an aphrodisiac one that's just done. That is all that is left. Again, maybe a week or two's worth. We'll focus in and get it used up. MAC bronzer in matte bronze. I think this will probably take a good amount of work to go through, but let's roll it in anyway. And we also have the matte bronzer from NYX, in shade 1, no, shade light, whatever. It's my NYX matte bronzer. Gonna roll it in. And lastly, I have 1 eye product and 6 lip products I'm rolling in. So the eye product is an eyeliner in the shade Brown Sugar. So it's just a really dark brown, almost black eyeliner. I'm going to work on that. a lip liner from Avon in the shade Mystery Mauve. There's a good chunk of this left, but give me a couple of weeks. We should be able to knock that out. Then we have some core lip products. I have a NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Seduction. It's beautiful. A NYX Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. A NYX Matte Lipstick in the shade Audrey. It's beautiful. An Urban Decay lipstick in Sheer Liar, which I've been using the heck out of. It's been sitting on my windowsill anyway, so I might as well just throw it in a project, right? And then we have Nude from L'Oreal. Mine is so beat up. Let's get it used up. So those are all the products that I've used up. Progress on the ones that are already in the project, and all the massive amount of products I'm rolling in. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a makeup basket really soon, so you can see what I'm actually actively using, and I'll update you guys on the products next week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Wish me luck with the rest of this project, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.